Hello and welcome to Simply Natural, where we promote living in harmony with nature. We admire everything natural. Okay? What we see today, or where we are today, is a very natural looking resort. It's a place for relaxation just outside the city of Takoradi in the western region of Ghana. And it's a really nice place. So I'm going to take you around to see what the place looks like. So, as we say here at Simply Natural, we promote living in harmony with nature. That means we do not destroy nature in order to proceed with our lives. This is a very nice result. They have left nature the way it is. They have built around nature and left the place to be the way it is naturally. So, you tend to enjoy nature, the fresh air, all the green around you, and the magic of water. Water is always magical. Relaxation is important for our health. Where and how we relax is even more important. Staying close to nature is one of the best ways to relax. It's a resort called Aqua Makarios. It's in the western region of Ghana, just outside the city of Takoradi. We used to live in a more natural environment all around the world. Well, since we've lost touch with nature, an occasional retreat in a natural environment is always like coming back home to rest, getting yourself refreshed. There are also fun boat rides in the mangrove swamp. It's a real great treat for those of us who love nature so much. It's a great place to relax over the weekend. Relax and reduce all the stress of city life. Another amazing thing about this place is that they have a guest house where you can sleep overnight. It is an eco lodge in a very natural environment. So 15 minutes drive from the city center and you are in paradise. Amazing. I see that they have some donkeys here for donkey rides for the kids. Who you bring your kids here, they have options here. You know, they could have a ride on donkeys down here. It's really nice. Aqua Makarios is a really beautiful place. We had an opportunity to speak with the owner, the person who set up this wonderful paradise, and also to see one of the rooms.
I was so surprised when my own people loved the local things.
Yes.
Yeah, because most of them live in the city and they do go to the villages and so here they are liking the local things.
Yeah.
People from other continents to visit this place.
Yes. I would love them to visit. You know, and the more they visit, when they come to the everybody shares something.
Yeah.
Do it this way.
That is more ideas are coming.
Yes.
It is true.
So
It's
true.
true.
They all come with their
ideas.
And pick some and leave some.
Yes.
We try
Oh,
to
that is
implement
great.
our own thing.
That is great.
Then the boat, the boat ride.
The boat ride was very exciting. Very
yeah.
nice.
And the food is nice.
The food.
The food
is very nice.
I have a good chef there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Very good and humble chef.
Yeah.
You know, she understands what the vegetarian.
Yeah.
That's great.
You know, we try to cook with less spices.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what we try to cook. The more the local ingredients.
Yeah.
That's what we want to cook.
The food is very nice.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much for welcoming us here,
Thank
and
you.
we're also going to show this to the whole world
Yes.
to see the precious thing that you have here.
Thank you.
And I'm sure more people will discover it and more
And
people
they'll
will
come.
come.
Let them come.
Just
Let
as
them
we
come.
discovered
Let them
it.
come.
Yes.
Let them come and share. Yes, let them
Thank you so much.
experience it.
Thank you. This is natural and really beautiful. The woodwork is amazing. Natural. Oh yeah. Yes. And this is the washroom. Nice shower. This is the ceiling. Beautiful ceiling. Right from the bathroom, you have a beautiful view of the place. This is a view from the balcony of one of the rooms. Imagine waking up to a beautiful golden sunrise with this view.
awesome. There is speed. Let me join you. Yes. Yes, this place is amazing. It's really, really beautiful. Very beautiful. And the people are wonderful.